So, some guy in America claims he invented an air conditioning bodysuit. Look! Don't laugh, at least he tried. And I think a lot of people will buy this if you just put the Apple logo on it and call it Air Conditioning 7S Pro Plus. And tell them if they buy this, they are going to be literally the coolest person everywhere they go. Even cooler than a dead body in a freezer. And I applaud this young man for trying to invent something. But would I buy this? Not even if I live in a volcanic mountain in the Sahara Desert. And this invention doesn't count at all because operating it cancels out the purpose. Meaning whatever cooling temperature you are going to get from that bodysuit is not going to be enough because you are going to sweat like hell trying to carry that heavy thing around. And that is why I would rather live in a microwave turned up to level 10 than wear this bodysuit. So go back to the drawing board, young man. I am sure you can figure out something else. And next time, make it look less like a chicken bodysuit. Good luck!
Yalla.